Guys,
what do we find?
Here we go, guys. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
What's up, guys? Stixx Picks here, back for the video. We're here, as you can tell behind me, we're at a storage unit. We're gonna move in a storage unit. We got 1 truck, 2 trucks, and 3 trucks to move this storage unit. And it's not just 1. It's not just 2. It's not even just 3. We have 5 storage units, guys. 5 storage units. Spent $105,000 on 5 storage units. This is 1 of 5 right now. This is 1 of 5, split between 3 people. And I mean, let's just get right into it.
Look the invoice. Look how much you paid.
Holy crap!
For toothpaste.
I love that.
500, guys. The one issue with buying these with 3 people is the divvying part. We're trying to split it up now, of course, because like they spent a lot of money. 105,000 divided by 3. You guys can do math. Taxes included on top. Like, that was a lot of money they spent on these, so they have to divide it evenly, and that's gonna be kind of annoying. I can just tell from our last units that this is philosophy. We're back into philosophy, guys.
Come on, baby Grace.
I think the last one was pure Grace that I opened. This one's gonna be a gingerbread one, but look at it's more 32 ounces.
Over here, please.
20-30 bucks, right?
You just see it or whatnot.
Christmas is coming.
Oh, 2 of them back to back.
Oh, nice.
So I guess the way we figured out how we're gonna split it is we're just gonna get even sized boxes. We're gonna do evenly on the jewelry, of course. Try and be even as possible with the jewelry. But with the rest of the things, it's kind of like even sized piles is the best we can do. It's too much items, you know? They flip the key, that's what they're doing. They're flipping the key, and whoever the key points to, they pick. And they pick first.
Me.
Ooh, which one are you picking, Dad?
The one that's closest to the truck.
Let's go! Just fun and crazy money, just like this. This thing, I don't even, it's like a skin treatment thing. She spent like 150, like 150 bucks on each of these. I've sold like 7 of these so far. We're just splitting them, of course, but we're gonna have a lot of nice stuff coming up. The purse pile is slowly building up. A lot of Doonies, a lot of Doonies. You guys probably recognize a lot of these. We've sold so many of these in different colors. This lady got the rest of the colors that we didn't have. Come on now. And we're getting to the end of it, guys. We're getting to the end. Look.
Yeah, right.
We're getting to the end, to the first unit. Just the first one. As I said, this is 1 out of 5 units. We're getting to the end of it. Not too much jewelry. We found a little bit though. Not too bad. The pile hasn't really increased too much. Still the same amount of Doonies and stuff, but again, all this adds up. It's just good money. Like, I think this is a Christmas tree. These things sell for like 300 bucks, 200 bucks, I bet. So when I say random, guys, look, we got some joint formula. We got joint formula. Anyone need some joint formula? Finish the first one. 1 of 5 done. So at the end of it, get a bunch of packing boxes. Look at all that. My fist is a little red from punching them. It's just easy. Just punch them, break them down, fast. But I would definitely say we made money. That I didn't show you guys too much. I just want to show you guys quick, bam, bam, bam. There's be 5 units, so I'm just not gonna show you guys a bunch of it, all of them. But I think this one was $24,000, and this is all we have, guys. Like 2.
This is all we have.
This is it, not much. 24,000 on this.
But again, we didn't spend it. It's in the third, so if you think about it, it's like 8,000 on ours.
If you think about it though, remember the 1 unit we bought for 8,000? How much of our trailer did that 8,000 take up before we hit the? It didn't take up much. Remember?
Yeah.
So it's literally about the same type.
It's the same thing. We literally found the same lady. What the heck? It's not the same lady. It's not the same. Maybe. On to the second unit. It's about the same size. We got our first pile each so far. Nothing wild. I think we actually have a little bit of jewelry. I think we got a little bit of jewelry so far. Maybe a little bit of purses actually too. Some jewelry, and there's still a lot more to go in this second storage unit. There's still a lot more to go. I'm just giving you guys like almost like little recaps as we load it, because like you guys could definitely see how stressful it would be to divide 5 storage units between 3 different people. They spent $105,000, so we're trying to divide it all first. We're not even really doing like an unboxing. Like, I don't have my GoPro on my chest or nothing. We're just dividing and going. I'll probably give you guys a lot more of detail like at the warehouse. Like I said earlier, all we're doing is just condensing. We're trying to get pile as even as we possibly can. And that's just the strategy we have. There's too many items to do. Oh, everyone gets the exact dollar amount. It's like impossible. We'd spend so long, so we're just doing little piles.
Here we go, guys.
What do we find?
Here we go, guys. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Oh!
No, look at this guy. This is crazy.
Oh,
this is
shoot.
crazy.
We found the jewelry
We
mine.
have it. We got it.
We found the jewelry mine.
Oh my God, guys.
No
Look at
way.
this. Look at this. Look at this. There's no way.
We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it.
Look it.
We got it, boy. We got it, boy. Judy Ribka. We have American
There's gold in
Wings.
here. There's gold in here
Look,
somewhere.
oh, Caroline Paula. We have a lot of those. Oh my God.
There's
we
gold
got
somewhere.
it, baby. We got it.
And it's slowly building up. Look how much jewelry we have. It's still coming. There's still, honestly, guys, I think there's double the bags left in there.
Guys, there's jewelry falling out of our crevices.
All of the jewelry has came out that we found so far. All of them are next to each other. These are all literally buried right next to each other. They're just all together. That's wild, isn't it? Look at this costume. 14K resin. 14 karat. 14K resin.
That's a good question, because where does it say that?
How do you feel right now, Dad?
I feel blessed. That's how I feel.
This is all the jewelry gotten so far. These boxes are full. Each of us, 3 boxes so far. Just sorting it, just sorting it. There's still bags on bags on bags on bags on bags to go. Still there. Look at this whole little pile just chilling right here, right here. They're going through it all. They're going through it all. This is insane. Wow. Some Michael Dawkins.
Michael Dawkins is good. Michael does anywhere from like $100 to like $2,000.
Sterling silver earrings, guys. Oh, look at that. These are all full QVC. You guys, this is wild. Just pulled out one last bag I found of jewelry just in this unit. Like I keep saying, guys, this is only the 2nd unit we're in. We didn't even get to the 3rd, 4th, or 5th one yet.
200.
There's an 80.
Whoa. 925, chat.
Nice. This gotta be good.
I'm gonna do a garage sale sign up.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Designer, Caroline Paula.
It's been like an hour and a half of just straight sorting and sorting and sorting. Look at them out there. 3 different piles. The idea of what we're doing is all of the boxes we got were brand new, never opened when she bought it on QVC. They came with all the invoices, so it's perfect, especially for the jewelry. On the other things, we were just trying to make sure we all have the same amount of items and just same type of items. But for this, we were making sure everything's the same exact value, just because it came with the invoices and the jewelry is expensive, you know. Some of them were just doing $500 value, $500, $500. Some of them's going up to like $2,000 just because how many pieces or what pieces we're putting into it, you know. We have to make sure we all get the same amount. We have finished divvying up all the jewelry, and we got 9 big old boxes over here. Let me show you. These are the 9 boxes right here, Dad, right?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some back there. They're all like this size though, like the green one and the blue one. Full of jewelry, guys. Absolutely full. He estimated, just an estimation, $3,000 box. So that's about $27,000. Just an estimation again. We obviously have no idea until we sell it. But hopefully it's about like 25 bands.
We're gonna have a good idea, because this is what we're gonna do. Once we get started, we're gonna do everything front to back, and we'll know whatever our shows were in that period, what we sold, right? So it'll be a real easy way for us to tell how much we actually got back out of this.
Easy.
Woo.
Oh, yeah.
It came kind of natural. Did you hear that?
Sure.
Just rolled right out of there, right?
No, I don't.
More jewelry, guys. More jewelry. 2 storages down. Both the bigger units down. Both 10 by 30s. Pretty full. And yeah, how do you feel about that?
All I gotta say is, ooh.
How do you feel about it, Juan?
Great, man.
Great.
Great
That-
for sure. That unit is going to cover all the expenses.
All of
only
it?
with
How
this
much?
unit.
How much was this one exactly? Just this one.
This one was 21,000, I believe. 19 plus.
That's
the
weird. That was the
use,
cheapest
21.
one, huh?
Yeah.
And
It was cheaper one than the other.
the back wall was just full on jewelry, guys. 20. I think we divided like 28 boxes between us of straight jewelry, all brand new QVC. You guys will see it soon. It's about 5 o'clock. Got here at 8. Move it all. And it took a bit longer just because obviously we had to split it all up. It's a lot of jewelry to split up. So it did make it take a little longer, but very successful day. Very successful day. Second day, and this is the 3rd unit we're on now. And as you can tell, there's a lot of bags back there. We got lucky last time with garbage bags. I think that's where all the jewelry was, so we're hoping there's more. We're hoping there's a lot more. And it's a good start. We just open it, bam. 3 purses off the start. 3 purses off the start. getting piles made. That's how we're doing it. Piles, there's invoices and everything, so it's just simple. 70, 70, 70, 88. We just do invoice, invoice, and it's super simple to split it. Sorry. All right, guys, so we're starting to divide up the jewelry a little bit. We got a little bit of a system going. 50, 100, 500 plus, 200, 150. Got a little system going. We're going through all the jewelry real quick. We didn't find too much so far. Only like 3 bags, but that's still like a decent amount. Not compared to like the 15 we found yesterday, but you know what? Still good so far. I think we're gonna find a lot more stuff in here because there's a good amount of boxes left in there. This is our pile of purses, guys. This is our pile of straight just purses. We are getting to the end of it. We're getting down to the end of this storage unit. Just like a couple boxes left. Sorry.
No, you're good, bro.
Just a couple boxes left, some bags. Probably some more purses. Definitely no more jewelry. A little unfortunate this one didn't have as much jewelry. Still a good amount though, definitely a good amount. A lot of purses though, look at all these purses. Different brands of purses. This lady did not collect Dooney and Burke like the last one. If you guys watched our last QVC unit, this lady literally only bought Dooney and Burke's, or the last lady did. This one, she bought like, I think it's GII collectibles, just random brands. Not as many Dooney and Burke's though.
You know the worst place for Black Widows is on this right here.
Ooh, my bad.
Sorry. Oh, I like these. Oh, come on.
Oh my God, we got it, baby.
We got it?
We got it, baby. We got it, baby. We got it.
First bag. We literally just opened the storage unit in front of you guys. First thing we pulled out, jewelry. Great start. Great start, guys. 4th unit. We're on the 4th unit now. Let's see what we get. These QVC units are just different, guys. These are just different type of units. Like everything you see, every single box you see, it's just good stuff. I finished this unit off and didn't really record it for you guys. I'm sorry. All emptied out. All moved into the trailer. Boxes like this. Look at this. Look at this, chat. Look at this, guys. And we're done, guys. We're home. It's been a few days since we got back from Virginia. It's all loaded into the warehouse. It's covered it. We've done a few sales. We've done a few sales on the items. We made a little bit of money. We're gonna have a straight jewelry show of all that jewelry coming up soon. So if you guys would like that, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you guys want a part 2 in the comments of just a straight warehouse video of all this stuff. I'll do an unboxing at the warehouse, give you guys more of a glimpse at it. But yeah, it's the end of the video. Put a heart in the comments if you watched this far, and peace out, guys.